Hi friends, this is Bridget Danner from Hormone Detox Shop, back with another cooking video. I feel like I can't figure out a way to have the food and my head in the frame, so that's super fresh. We do have a fun recipe for you today. We're calling it carrot cleansing salad. So this was inspired by a good friend of mine whose practices Ayurveda, and I think it was my son's first birthday party like 10 years ago that she brought this carrot salad, and I never had such a simple salad, and it was so refreshing. So I asked my team to make a carrot cleansing salad for our community. So in this addition, I'm going to use a Cuisinart with a shredding blade to shred the carrots, but you don't have to have one of these. You can just use, a regular shredding thing like the manual way. I don't actually use this a ton, but it's awfully nice when you're going to be doing a bunch of shredding. I'm making 2 different salads today, so that's going to be the first step I do, and the breast is pretty much ready. Okay, I probably could have done that beforehand, so you got to see that fun action though. I think that was more than enough. So it calls for 2 cups of shredded carrot. And yeah, I think that's about good. So my recipe writer wrote this as like a warm salad, but I'm just gonna try the same kind of recipe without heating it up. So we have our carrots. We're gonna do some olive oil. It's supposed to be 2 tablespoons, or 2 teaspoons, sorry. Juice from a half a lemon. So I already have a bunch of lemon juice. I usually do, so I'm really horrible about measuring, so I'm just gonna use a little that I estimate. I already cut 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews, and I decided to use ones that had been roasted and salted, but you certainly could just use raw ones. And then 2 pitted dates. I may actually go back and add another date, but I'm just gonna follow the recipe for now. Pinch of sea salt. I'm going to be a little generous with it. And then a 1/4 teaspoon each of cinnamon and ginger. So you can imagine it's going to be really nice and sweet tasting. This is a 1/2 teaspoon, so we'll just do a little less. I love the ginger idea. That's really fun. So it'll be nice and warming, which is good for digestion. And it kind of helps you if you don't digest, raw food that well. The cinnamon and ginger will help with that. So again, she kind of intended this as a warm salad, but I'm just doing it as a cold salad. So I live in Phoenix, and it's already getting hot here. I have a gas stove. You don't want that thing on. You do not want to turn that on one bit. So I'm just making this salad cold, and I am very much a proponent of, change a recipe how you like it. If you want more lemon or less cinnamon or whatever you want to do. Again, I might add more dates, and I might add more nuts because it's coming out nicely, but I feel like you can never have too many dates. And the lemon will help kind of break down the carrot. So how's it looking? It's really easy. The whole thing will take you like 10 minutes to make max, especially if you have the Cuisinart. It's just super like light and cleansing and refreshing, so you can make it as a nice side for a summer meal. So subscribe if you're liking these recipes. We're making more. I'm just about to make a kale Brussels sprout salad after this. We've got some drinks, and then next month we have some chia seed recipes coming out. So just follow along. We'd love for your feedback too if you make the recipe yourself. We'd love to hear how it went. Thanks everybody.